This next part of problem 7, part C and D both go together. Listen to the instructions. It says, draw one line to make this rectangle into two squares that are the same size. So listen again. You're going to draw one line. So you're only going to draw one line in this rectangle, and it wants you to make two squares that are the same size. So I want you to pretend like this right here is a chocolate bar that you want to split with somebody. You want to split it and make it into two squares that are the exact same size. Okay? After you do that, I'm going to need you to circle the words down here to make the sentence true. One of those squares that you made up here, does it make 1/2 or 1/4 of the rectangle above? It either makes 1/2 or 1/4. Circle the words that you think or that make the sentence true. So you'll either circle the words 1/2, or let me erase that so I don't confuse you, or you will circle the words 1/4. You're not going to circle both. Remember, it's either going to make 1/2 or 1/4. So split this into two squares and then tell me, is one square 1/2 or is it 1/4?